Welcome to Natural Remedies, where today we're guiding you through healthy living suggestions step by step. Today we're exploring the Keto Diet A to Z, a complete beginner's playbook for weight loss success. If you've heard about the ketogenic diet but don't know where to start, this short film is for you. We'll walk you through everything from what to buy, how to plan, and how to set yourself up for success. Ready? Let's get started. First, let's start with the basics. The ketogenic or keto diet is a low-carb, high-fat diet designed to put your body into a state called ketosis. This is where your body burns fat for fuel instead of carbohydrates, helping you lose weight and boost energy levels. Here's how you can begin your keto journey in a few simple steps. On the keto diet, 70 to 80% of your daily calories should come from healthy fats, 15 to 20% from protein, and only 5 to 10% from carbohydrates. Before starting, calculate your daily calorie needs and break them down into these percentages using a keto calculator or app. Next, head to the shops and load up on keto-friendly foods. Here's your shopping list. Healthy fats: extra virgin olive oil, coconut oil, avocados, and grass-fed organic butter. Proteins: eggs, fatty fish like salmon, chicken thighs, grass-fed beef, low-carb vegetables. Leafy greens: broccoli, cauliflower, asparagus, zucchini, and bell peppers. Keto snacks: nuts, seeds, and cheese. Avoid high-carb foods like bread, pasta, rice, and sugar. Look for full-fat versions of dairy and stay away from processed foods. Meal prepping is key to keto success. Start by planning meals that are simple but satisfying. For lunch, a grilled chicken salad with olive oil dressing works great. And at tea time, think baked salmon with roasted veggies in butter. Snacks could include nuts, hard-boiled eggs, or cheese sticks. One of the biggest challenges is staying consistent, especially when life gets busy. Invest in meal prep containers and set aside a couple of hours each week to prepare meals. This will save you time and keep you on track throughout the week. Also, keep keto-friendly snacks handy to avoid reaching for unhealthy options when hunger strikes. Stay hydrated and consider supplements. On keto, your body may lose more electrolytes, so drink plenty of water and consider supplements like Celtic sea salt, magnesium, potassium, and sodium to avoid the keto flu, a common set of symptoms in the early days of keto. And there you have it, your A to Z guide to starting the keto diet for weight loss. Remember, success on keto comes down to preparation and consistency. Make sure to plan, stock up on keto essentials, and keep yourself organized for the best results. Thank you so much for watching Natural Remedies. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a tip on your health and wellness journey. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully we'll see you next time. Natural Remedies, Cheshire.